Volume and area assessment. Number 1. Tell the volume of each solid figure made of 1-inch cubes. You must also specify the correct unit of measurement. So each solid figure is made of 1-inch cubes, and you must label your answer correctly. Number 2. If the figure below is made of cubes with 2 centimeter side lengths, what is its volume? Please note that each cube is worth 2 centimeters, so you are counting by twos. Number 3. The following structure is composed of 2 right rectangular prisms that each measure 12 inches by 10 inches by 5 inches, and 1 right rectangular prism that measures 10 inches by 8 inches by 36 inches. What is the total volume of the structure? Show your work. So these ones here are 12 inches by 10 inches by 5 inches, and the big one in the middle is 10 inches by 8 inches by 36 inches. Number 4, find the volume of the rectangular prism below. You have 12 feet, 3 feet, and 3 feet. Please pay attention when choosing your answer that you label it correctly. Number 5, the volume of the prism is shown. Find the missing length. My volume is 48 meters cubed. My width is 2 meters, and my height is 3 meters. What would be the length? Remember that your total volume must equal 48 meters cubed. Number 6, the volume of a shoebox is 48 inches cubed. The height is 4 inches. What could be the dimensions of the base of the shoebox? Choose 2 correct answers. Remember that your height is 4, so when you put it with your length and your width and find the volume, it must equal 48 inches cubed. Number 7, what is the volume of a cube with a side length of 6 inches? Draw a picture to show your thinking. So draw a picture of a cube that has side lengths of 6 inches and find the volume of it. Number 8, create an equation to find the total volume of the figure below. Choose numbers from the box to create your equation. Please note that you can use numbers more than once, so you're choosing numbers from this box to create your equation. So remember, in order to find the total volume, you're going to have to start by splitting the shape into 2 smaller shapes. Then, using your equation, find the total volume of the figure. Number 9, all of the prisms below are measured in centimeters. What is the correct order of the boxes from least volume to greatest volume? So you're going smallest to biggest. So I would start by finding the volume of each individual box and then comparing them, and you need to put them in order from least to greatest. Number 10, Bob covered a floor with carpet. Which unit of measure describes how much carpet he used? He's covering a floor. Would you use A, inches, B, feet, C, square feet, or D, cubic inches? Number 11, Mrs. Bruner wants to find out how much her new freezer will hold. She decided to find the volume. What is an appropriate measure of the volume of her new freezer? Again, she's finding volume, so which answer shows that? A, 24, B, 24 feet, C, 24 square feet, D, 24 cubic feet. Number 12, the right rectangular prism shown has a length of 6 centimeters, a width of 3 centimeters, and a height of 4 centimeters. Determine whether each equation can be used to find the volume of this prism. Select yes or no for each equation. It's worth 2 points. Number 13. What is the area of a park that is 1/2 mile wide and 5/8 miles long? You're finding the area. It gives you the length and the width. Number 14. The perimeter of a square is 32 inches. Draw a model of the square with the dimensions labeled. I would start by drawing a square. Then think about how many sides a square has, and what do you know about all those sides of the square. Once you've found the length of each side of the square, you need to find the area of the square. Number 15. What is the area and perimeter of the rectangle below? So you have to find the area and perimeter of the shape. Remember that when you find the area, you have to turn your mixed number into an improper fraction first. Number 16. Find the area of the figure below. Again, remember, you need to start by turning your mixed numbers into improper fractions first. Number 17. Find the area of the figure below. Again, remember to start by turning your mixed numbers into improper fractions first. Number 18. Brady started to fill this box with cubes. Letter A. How many cubes are currently in the box? So how many cubes are already here? Letter B. How many more cubes are needed to completely fill the box? So if you're filling the box, you need to find the volume. So if you take a look at the picture, what is the length, what is the width, and what is the height? And think about how to find the volume. Number 19 is a bonus question. Just do your best. A hotel is recarpeting a section of the lobby. Carpet covers the part of the floor as shown below in gray. So the gray section is carpet. The white section will be tiled. How many square feet of carpeting will be needed? Show all your work below. So you're looking at the gray section, which is where the carpet is going. How many square feet of carpeting will be needed?